1.
Standalone recolor. Build. Floor. Type E7FC. Texture. This is the light reflections. Export. In editor, make new layer above, fill it, mask it, re-import.
2.
Pick a color.
Find that in the description.
Copy RGBs. Divide by 255. In Sims 4 Studio, Warehouse, Material Definition, Edit Items, Diffuse. 0 equals R, 1 equals G, 2 equals B. Fill in the appropriate numbers. Do the same in window tint color too. Studio, tags, customize it. Underwater effects, done. Splish splash, something's taking a bath.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.